Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. It's Prince Roman, and right now we are on the road. So there's my brother Evan. The channel's Shy, so go check that out. Say hi. Okay, so anyways, I got a new monster truck. So let me show you it. And also don't forget to look at the video for the blue crustacean. Okay, so here's one of these guys, and the answer was Zombie Hunter. So yeah, it's cool. So let me show you for a second. So let me open it. Okay, there. So this is the back of the box. You can collect all of these, and then stunt ramps. And oh, well, that's it. Okay. Next is the blue ramp. It looks like a regular plain blue ramp. Just like a regular dirt jump ramp. Last but not least, the monster truck. So yeah, this is what it is. Zombie Hunter, so we have like a horn here, then ears, and then in the front we have like an apocalypse face, and then of course on the other side it's just the same thing. And the rims, and this is the body of it at the bottom. Of course now they don't have metal bases, they have body, they're like plastic bases. So here's the top, and yeah guys, so that's pretty much it today. I'm just on the road for a little bit, you know, having some fun, and I'm just gonna record a little bit more. So what I was doing and planning to do was get Titan, but I don't know if I'm gonna get him because I really don't need to get on him. So, oh, look at how tall that is. Oh my goodness, it's so tall. Okay, it's not really tall. Well, yeah, it's pretty tall actually. So there's the commercial thingy, Fanta. Then I was drinking this. You can read that if you want. Just pause the video. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. So yeah, guys. That is about it. Just one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe, and link in the description below. Tell me what you think about the video, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. So peace out, guys. Peace.